Okay, so here is example 2 for solving for angle C. All right, so as we know, angle C is right here. I also put the formula in for everyone so we could just have a little reminder. So sine is opposite over hypotenuse, cosine is adjacent over hypotenuse, and tan is opposite over adjacent. So first things first, we need to label our triangle. So if this is the angle we are looking for, because they told us right here, draw a line straight out. The opposite of that is known as the opposite side. Next, we can label the hypotenuse. We go from here through the 90-degree. It's telling us that our longest side is right here, so this is our hypotenuse. And last one, the side that was not talked about we have is adjacent. So what I always like to do is circle the ones that were given. So if we look here, they gave us the opposite side and the adjacent side. So I'll just circle those again so they stay opposite and adjacent. Now on your own, see if you can figure out what they are looking for. What formula are we going to use? We're not using the hypotenuse, so we can cross out any that have the hypotenuse. If you figured out that tan was the formula you were going to be using, you are correct. So let's write it down. Tan. And in this case, it's tan C because they're asking us to solve for C. So tan C equals opposite over adjacent. Now we're going to fill in what we know. Tan C is, and in this case, we have opposite is 28. So opposite is 28 divided by the adjacent. The adjacent is 21. So we're going to put in a 21. And next step, I'm just going to write it over here because I'm running out of room. The next step is we need to figure out the angle. So remember, whenever you're figuring out the angle, you have to do that fancy stuff with your calculator. So forward calculators, you are going to type in second function tan. So it's going to look like that. Second function tan. And then you are going to fill in 28 divided by 21. And you might get the number already, or you might have to hit equals. And you will get approximately, I'm just rounding it in one step, 53 degrees. If you are the backwards calculator users, you are going to type in 28 divided by 21 and then hit second function tan. So it'll look like that. And then sometimes it just works out, or you might have to hit the equals, and then you will also get approximately, that's what that squiggly line means, 53 degrees. Okay? Pause and rewatch this as many times as you need in order to solve for this. And if you're still having trouble, make sure you get a hold of me. Also, I noticed that my calculator, if I use it on my phone is backwards. So I have an iPhone. So if you're using your calculator on your phone and you have an iPhone, it might be backwards as well. Just a little reminder. Okay, have a good day. Bye.